kung wala lang sana talaga itong yung objective lang ba, yung nag-endorse na mga congressman, dapat nag-inhibit sila. I'm referring to Congresswoman De Lima. Dapat nag-inhibit siya. Yung endorser din ng fourth complaint, dapat nag-inhibit din yun kung membro siya ng Committee on Justice. Why? Because when you endorse a complaint, yun nga ang sinasabi ko noon, it is as if you own the complaint, you certify that the complaint likewise is true and correct, and it has basis really that it can fly. It can really survive the test of sufficiency of inform and of substance. It has probable cause. That is in effect, what are you endorsing for? Eh ang problema, ikaw pa yung endorser, ikaw pa yung nagtatanong doon sa wala na yung basic delikadesa. Sana nag-inhibit sila, and then kung kinakailangan na ipatawag sila kasi sila endorser during the hearing, it may be possible. Pero yung hindi siya nag-inhibit at nag-join sila actively during the determination of sufficiency in form and substance, and during the hearing proper to determine probable cause, that is questionable. And whatever may be the report, that is a product of that mistake may be questioned before the Supreme Court. Kaya nga nag-prepare na ako ng na yung opisina namin. Katulong ko yung aking mga abogado led by Assistant Dean Resi Rizada Nolasco, no? At saka mga kasama ko mga abogado, nag-prepare kami ng supplemental complaint. Meron pa nga isang basis din diyan na yung kanilang counting ng session days. Oo. In-extend pa nila maski recess na. Kinwestiyon ko rin yan dito sa panibagong supplemental complaint. So yun talaga, ang daming mali po dito na alam naman nila, may mga magagaling na abogado dyan eh. Alam nila na mali yan, pero ang purpose kasi nila, ayaw nila i-diretso kaagad, ipa-report sa plenary para magawa sila ng articles of impeachment para mag-trial na sa Senado. Kasi siguro alam nila matatalo sila doon. So, inextend nila itong parang nagawa na sila ng mini trial na violation din under the 1987 Constitution kasi ang Senado lang ang may karapatan yan. Ginawa nila itong mini trial kay para hindi to find probable cause. What is their purpose? Sa tingin ko lang, pwede ko ako magkamali. Ang purpose nila is to chip away the popularity of Madam Sara Duterte. They want to crucify her, they want to attack her para mawalan konti yung kanyang pagka-popular masyado ngayon.